I will talk about course update, necessary support to get the most out of this course. Firstly, the thing most of you may be concerned about is whether this course is up to date or not. I will keep this course always up to date with the latest technologies. So even if you are watching this video 2 years later than the course was published, you can still buy it because I'm maintaining and updating this course regularly. The second thing I want to talk about instructor support. After purchasing my course, you will get the full support from me. Just ask me any questions you have regarding my lectures and I will be happy to assist you with your issue. For better communication and discussion, I have also created a Facebook group named Wi-Fi Hacking Student Support, link in the video screen. If you're struggling with anything or having hard time understanding something, just share in the group. You can also record your screen while having a problem, just post in the group, which will help me to understand your issue very much. Or you can put your screenshot or simply write your problem as you want. I will keep sharing the latest information and posting important and necessary content related to the hacking in this group, which will make you more educated and you will learn a lot. So make sure you join this group and keep yourself up to date. The bottom line is, you don't need to worry about anything. I'm your instructor and I'm always here to provide you the most and best learning experience. So don't waste your time. Purchase this course now and start learning today. So see you in the course, guys. Have a good day.